Rolling up on this piece. Do a little tuning today on the old red car. Yeah. Gonna start it up. See what the air fuels are at now. Hopefully at least 12.5. Oh my god. So I just adjusted the K fuel again. I brought it down from 26.8 from the base map to 21.936. I did it in increments so I could basically I went down another 1,000. Should bring it up to 14.7. That's what I'm aiming for on idle. And now I wanted to mess with the mass airflow a bit, and we're gonna have to jump it up quite a bit or else it's gonna be running extremely lean. But we're gonna go do some data logs first and try that out. So 50 right now, which is crazy, but you know what it is. First drive in the turbo Sentra.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Watching the air fuels. It's actually cold out.
Quite chill.
Turn the heat a little. Strut bar just almost sliced my car in half.
Oh no, that's the fire extinguisher rolling around in the back.
Check it a little further.
Oh, I'm feeling worse than ever.
Not brutal, but it's not good at all.
Yes. Clutch feels way lighter.
Yeah, it feels better. 4 PSI. Air fuels were okay.
Felt good on
Felt like it was building pretty good, eh?
Oh yeah.
Gravel road ahead.
Oh no.
Short distance. Pretty dirty though.
Oh fuck.
Oh my
dropped
God.
out.
Good thing it's a Sentra.
Oh, they gotta change the whole road for whatever's going in here, I guess.
Just greasy. That fire extinguisher.
Got a mount
It's a little,
11.
a little higher than we would have liked to go.
Air fuels were clean.
Yeah, it's going too high.
I need a new boost controller.
I don't think we You know what? I'm just gonna go up here. I'll let you drive.
Yeah.
But I just want to try and adjust the boost controller. Just pull over here. It's a school, right? Looks like there's a lot of people over here right now. Don't go full, just kind of like, you know. Okay. I think you hit like 8 something there. Wouldn't be too dang big of a surprise. Building boost a lot quicker. Yeah, so that's gonna be a wrap on this bad boy today. It's gonna be a wrap. Need a new oil feed line and a boost controller, a voice controller. But yeah, that's all she wrote for today. Soon come. R.I.P.